How to customize YouTube TV live guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your YouTube TV on your browser, and after that, when you try to click on this option of live, you will be able to see all the live recommendations to you, and you can click on this option of default or right on the right hand side corner. Just click on it. Here, right beside the custom, you will be able to find the option of edit. Just simply click on it and it will take you to settings. On the left hand side panel, you will see a list of different options. You will also be able to find an option called live at the left hand side panel right below streaming limits. Since I'm not logged into my account, that's why it is not showing for me, but for you it will show. Just click on that particular option. After that, you can edit your list, move around different channels. You can also remove different channels if you want to, and this way you would be able to edit or customize your live feed, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.